So much has changed for Nvidia stock investors in 2025. The stock price is up almost 37% year to date. Of course, I'm happy about that. I rated Nvidia stock as a buy. And then today we got an announcement from Nvidia and OpenAI that it will be investing up to $100 billion in equity investment in OpenAI in a strategic partnership. So all of these changes have created a lot of uncertainty, and investors are asking me, do I still think Nvidia stock is undervalued after all of these changes? I'll answer that question in this video. So let's jump right into it after this brief message. So before we can answer if a stock is undervalued or overvalued, we need to see what we're getting in return. Just like when you go shopping for a product at the grocery store or in the car dealership, you want to look at what you're getting in return for the price you're paying to see if you're getting something that's undervalued or overvalued. You can't just say if something is expensive if I tell you the price of something is $100, right? You're going to ask, if I tell you, hey, this thing is $100, is it expensive? You might say, well, what do you mean? You can't even answer the question. You don't have enough information. What is it? If it's an iPhone, a brand new iPhone, $100, that's really cheap. But if I tell you $100 is for a Big Mac value meal, you're going to say that's really expensive. So it depends on what you're getting in return, right? So that's what we look at when we're looking at stocks and investments and businesses. We look at what we're getting in return so we can determine if we're getting a good price or if we're paying too much. So let's start with the company's revenue. And it's absolutely exploded. Trailing 12-month revenue for Nvidia came in at $165 billion. And you can see just how much it's increased since 2022 when it was $27 billion. And it's even grown significantly before that, right? If you even ignored the growth from 22 to 25, if we just look at 2015 to 2022, its revenue had increased by more than 5x from 5 billion to 27 billion. And then again from 27 billion to 165 billion. So for the previous 2 decades, Nvidia has found a way to innovate, create new products and services that generates huge increases in sales and profits. This is a skill. This isn't a one-off thing. This isn't a one-time thing. This is something Nvidia has been able to do for 2 decades now, more than 2 decades now. So not only are you getting a business with some of the most innovative technology in the market right now, you're also getting a business with a management team and CEO in Jensen Huang that's demonstrated a capability to do this over 2 decades. Click the link below to watch the full video.